I'm Carl Barkemeyer. I defend clients with drug charges in Lafayette Parish. If you or someone you know has been arrested for drug possession, possession with intent to distribute, trafficking, or distribution, then you've come to the right place. For over 14 years, I have defended hundreds of clients with various drug charges in Louisiana. I have become so familiar with this area of law that I wrote the book on how to defend drug charges in Louisiana. The drug laws in Louisiana get harsher every year. These charges require serious skill and care, of which I provide to my clients. So if you or someone you know has been arrested for a drug charge including heroin, cocaine, methamphetamine, marijuana, pills, etc., give me a call. I'd be happy to help.